Good morning, sir. I am presenting a detailed overview of form handling and validations. This topic is essential in web development as it ensures a smooth user experience, accurate data collections, and secure systems. Now, there are certain points including introduction to form handling, client side validations, HTML and form structures, CSS for form styling, JavaScript, and form interactivity. Now, introduction to form handling. What actually form handling is? Form handling is the process of collecting user input through forms and managing it effectively. Forms are the backbone of user interaction on websites, whether it's signing up, logging in, or submitting feedbacks. Forms makes it possible to transfer information between the user and the servers. There are importance of form handling. Proper form handling ensure data is collected accurately and efficiently. Uh, and the fourth one is a client side versus server side. Understand the difference between client side and server side form handlings. And there is also a role of HTML in form of HTML provide the structure for creating a web forms. Now, the second one is the client side validations. What is client side validations? So the client side validations checks data before it is sent to the servers. It ensures user provide correct data before it's sent to the server. With the client side validations, we use HTML and JavaScript to check user input right in the browser. And HTML validation is simple and built in. And there are benefits of client side validation. It improves user experience by providing immediate feedbacks. And there are common validation techniques are learn about techniques like rejects, required fields, and data type checks. And there are some limitations of client side validation. That is, understand the limitation and why server side validation is also necessary. Now the third topic is HTML and form structures. HTML form elements are detailed look at form element like form input, select or text area. Attributes in HTML forms explore attributes like action, method, and in types. Creating accessible forms ensure forms are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Semantic HTML in forms. Um, Use semantic HTML to improve form readability and accessibility. And there are some best practices for HTML forms. Follow best practices to create efficient and user-friendly forms. So actually, forms are built using HTML, the foundation of web content, a basic form structures. What actually CSS for form styling? Styling form element, responsive form design, CSS frameworks for forms, customizing form appearance, and accessibility in form styling. Now I talk about the styling form element. Use CSS to style form element for better aesthetics. Actually, while HTML builds the structures, CSS brings forms to life with design. Style form improve user engagement and accessibility. And the fourth one shows that how to learn to customize form appearance to match your website themes. And there are some accessibility ensure styled forms remain accessible to all the users. Now some there are some JavaScript and form interactivities. Enhancing forms with JavaScript. Use JavaScript to add interactivity and dynamic features to forms. Event handling in forms. As we know, learn about handling events like submit, change, and input. There are form validation with JavaScript are implement real-time validation using JavaScript. And the security concerns are also validated ensure form data is handled securely to prevent vulnerabilities. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.